Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you the automatic powder sachet bag pouch vertical packaging machine. So let's take a close look and step by step. So now you can see the front side of the whole machine. Okay. It's very small and beautiful. I'm going to show you the complete set of the packaging machine. The left side, the back side, and the right side. So I'm walking the round circle to show you the complete packaging machines around me, in front of me. So let's take a shooting more details about this machine. Okay, so we have the protective covered all the moving parts of the automatic packaging machine. You can see we have a door here. You can open it, and it's a full cover, protected cover ball. Cover all the moving parts in case people get injured. So next, I'm going to show you more details about this machine. So this machine is operation by the touch screen. You can see it's a big touch screen, so it's easy for you to look at very details and easy to operate. And there it has the temperature adjust display. The horizontal, this one is vertical, and the left one is the vertical sealing temperature. The left one is the vertical sealing heating temperature, and the right one display is the horizontal sealing temperature adjusted display. So below these two temperature adjusted meter, and the left one is a start and a stop button, and the middle one is emergency button. You can see we marked every button, every displayed with English. In English, this is emergency button. The right one is the power switch. So this is the operation plate, and after below the operation display, under the display is the air connection adjuster place. Here you can see this one is to connect the compressed air hose from here. This one is to turn on the air to supply the compressed air to the machine. So this is the compressed air meter, and this one is the filter, and this one is oil filter. So 我拍个教学视频一下。好。There's two filter here. The one is to filter the oil. This oil is to lubricate the compressed air here, and that's moving inside the bag forming sealing part. From this part, and you can see there's vertical sealing temperature. I'm just show you the display. On the control tip, on the control adjust display here. And this two part is the heating element. This one is vertical heating element. So you can see this two. This is the heating tube. Two heating tube to heating the two metal bar here, vertical sealing bar. And move on, there is a driven wheel here to make the fuel stable. In case the fuel will, you will stop, and continue from the horizontal part This is the horizontal sealing bar, and this is a heating, also the same principle, working principle to the vertical one. This one is the horizontal. This is the heating tool, two heating tools here. So the working principle is very easy. You know, so when sealing, these two cylinders will work and will clamp together, and then they seal the middle side of the pouch and sachet. And next part is the horizontal sealing part. It's to sealing the horizontal sachet here. So when the machine working, the cylinder will be pushed forward and clamp the back and finish the horizontal sealing. So the working principle of the packaging machine is, we usually call it VFFS, vertical forming, filling, sealing. So this is what we call automatic bag packaging machine here. So the first one, vertical, you can see the whole machine is vertical. After forming, what the meanings of forming? Forming means the bag, forming the bag. Forming the bag, this part is a bag former. Each bag former is customized, built according to different sizes of sachet, bags, pouch. So this part is, what it means is, if you use the other side of bag, you have to change this part to forming a different width of the bag and the sachet. So this is the bag former, we usually call it. After the bag former, the motor will drive the fill down, continue down to the vertical sealing. So the bag forming, sealing, forming, filling, and sealing. So this part is the forming and sealing. So this is the inside the protective cover mechanism. And next part is, let's go to the filling machine, filling part. So you can see the compressed set of the hopper. This hopper is to loading the powder inside this hopper. So you can pull down the powder inside the hopper. So you can see the compressed set of the hopper. It's also vertical. So the filling is here. Let's take a closer look here. The filling is through this back hopper here. There's a screw inside the hopper. When you finish pouring the powder inside the hopper, the screw auger will working and the filling to the bag former. Here, the powder will fill inside the bag and bag former. This is the bag former. This is a small hopper under the big hopper. You can see here, and the powder will fill into the bag, and the bag will seal in the middle size and the vertical size, and the product discharge after sealing the last horizontal side. After you turn on the machine, you have to wait the temperature meter to the heating temperature before you running the machine. You can see the heating is raising up to the setting temperature here. After the temperature reach the setting temperature, the machine is ready to run. We have two languages to the machine here. One is Chinese, the other is English. So, next part is to take a look at the back packaging fill roll here. You can see this is the packaging fill roll. We use different kinds of packaging fill. like a PE laminate packaging film roll. We use it for different industries like food, like chemical. So this product is for goat milk powder. You can see this is the packaging film sent from customers. This is film roll is for milk, goat powders, milk powders, all kinds of powder materials. So let's take a close look of the whole set of the back packaging film installation part. And this under the packaging film roll, under that is the coating part here. Coating part, so you can see, take a look of the coating part. So you can coating the log number, expire number and manufacture day, like 2022, January 1st. So you can see. So this is the hopper. Here, there's just two motors. One motor is to mixing, the other motor is to control the screw auger. I will go and show you that the screw auger, one turn circle of the screw auger will fill set quantitative powder filling inside the pouch. So this is the hopper. All the machine is made of full grade stainless steel 304. See, this is the coating part, ribbon coating machine. So here, before the back forming, the coating will start printing here. So you can see the day here. You can see this is the coating function. We can code vertical format, horizontal format on the back. And before to packaging film, there's a requirement of the packaging film between two bags or sachets. Before the rolled two pieces of bags, there has a register mark here. The normal size is 5 plus 10 millimeter. You can see it's black color. Usually it's black color. The color has to be obviously different. You can see each one. Why we put the register mark on this packaging film? Because we need to make the bag actually when the machine cut the bag. So there's a sensor on the machine here. This is the sensor to reading the register mark on the film. Just point it out. This black one is reading by this registered eye sensor here. You can see the red light is working now. So when this one is to give signal to the PLC when it's ready to cut by the machine. It's decided by the reading the black color of the register mark here. So this is the sensor eye. This is the sensor eye here. You can see the black color of the register mark. So you can see the coding function after the print by the coding machine. So this is the back former coding machine register mark. Normally the inner code of the packaging film is 75 millimeter, and the maximum packaging film roll outer diameter is about 380 millimeter of the packaging film roll outer diameter. So it's for your people easily to, one person is enough to install the packaging film. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's appropriate size and weight to loading the packaging film. So this is the upper part of the machine. It's including screw auger fitting part here, the big hopper, okay, and the registering mark reading sensor. And next part is the coding function. So also the packaging fill roads installation part. And next part is the hopper. So this one is to pull out the powder you want to packaging. So this is the, you can let your worker to pull out powder inside the hopper. There's a screw auger inside the hopper, and you can, this wheel to adjust the hopper up and down. And this one is to adjust the hopper forward and backward. So there's a two wheel to adjust the position of the screw fitting hopper. You can see here. So this is the upper part of, and we have very details video to show you how to write in the packaging fill on the packaging machines. So you can see the fill through the first row, here, and widen, and then go down to the back former vertical filling, and the horizontal sealing. So this is complete set of the machine. I can take a look of the machine here. So there's a two part. Upper part is the packaging fill row and the powder screw filling system. The second part is the back forming sealing part, and also the control plate here. So let's take a close look of inside the electronic component. So you can turn it on, and this is the electronic component inside the machine. Beautiful wiring. So we have a PLC here. This is the main part component inside the electronic component. So you can close the door and lock it. There's a fan back beside the machine to vacuum the heat inside the machine. So this the left one. Then the other inside the machine, the part is the motor, the big motor here. So this is the whole part of the machine. So that's all. Easy machine, very good, very beautiful, and easy to operation. Packaging all kinds of powders, and for bags, sachets, and so let me know if you have any questions I would like to answer. Email me or call me at any time. Please visit our website for more information. And down below the video, you will find my contact. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is the video. This is the testing video of automatic powder sachet bag packaging machine. So let's run it. This is start button. You pull it on. So the machine run. Let's take a look over the symbols. So this is the horizontal seal. This is the back side seal. Adjusting mark. Coding. So this is the whole machine. This is the touch screen, heating temperature. So this is the back seating. So this is the sensor. You can see each time when the fuel pulling one times, the sensor will detect one times. You can see this is the coating machine. So you can see the machine running, the packaging fill, adjusting mark, go down, coating. This is the coating. This is the eye sensor, the registered mark reading eye sensor. You can see here. You can see the line. You can see the eye sensor reading the registering mark. The coating. The fuel is pulling. The speed, English page, heating temperature.